Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to work on project 100, and I just calculated and I have that I wrote down. I think there's a few times that I forgot to, write them on this because I couldn't find it. So there's 80, and I figure that, I put 10 together. So we'll say 70. I probably have a little bit more than that. So we have 30 left to do. So let's try and do about 5 of them right now, and then we'll be at 75. So I want to make 30 more, and then I'll be close to my 100. I'll be happy with that. Okay, I like this as a background. That's Simple Stories I Am. I really like that, and I like it with the brown. And this I'll just cut out and use a part of it. Okay, let's see if there's anything else I can throw in there. I really like that peach. So let's see what else I could put on there. There's another little brown sheet there. Pattern paper. No. Ooh, I see more that I want to work with, so yay. Let's see if we can find some for this page, and then we'll move on to the next. I like that because it has, like, peach is a light orange, right? So this has some orange in it, and then you got some brown. You're adding some green, but that's okay. It all coordinates nicely. Let's take these dark brown options, and I'm going to take this polka dot, and I think I'm going to call it good. I wouldn't use that piece that big. My eyes are literally crossing just looking at it, so I'm definitely not going to use a big piece of that. So that's one. Woot woot. And we went this morning, and I am fully vaccinated. So it is done. I got my second vaccination. I'm happy. I'm happy it's done. So, I like this. You know what? This is just, not the yellow and the other part. Let's just cut it off. But that blue, I like that. Let's use the trimmer. I don't know if I could cut super straight right now. It's a little warm in my craft room. So, okay. That's good. That's 2. We got 2 already. Oh, what's this? Oh, Josh was drawing some amiibo cards. So that's his drawing. Isn't that cute? I want him to do I want butterflies and birds, and so some dogs maybe, as our digital prints. That'll come. That he was doing for, I'm going to put that with that teal blue card or aqua paper kit that we just put there. I kind of like that with it. Yeah, that he was doing just for his own fun. Okay, I'm going to put that in there too. Yeah. Okay, let me see. I want to go and find something that I can go here. Let's use that. Just like that. I'm going to use that. I like those 3. And then I see some black cardstock in there. Beautiful. And then I have leftover of this guy, and then leftover of the polka dots. That's a nice, I have way more. That's the same colors there. I'm going to put all that in there. I think I'm going to go get a white cardstock. I know exactly where they are. So it's not going to take a long time to go get that. There you go. So now we're up to 3. And then I see a lot of purple. Let's see if we can do a purple layout. I'm liking what I'm seeing, kind of thing. So let's do that. And then I see stuff on here too. There's quite a bit like that purplish look. I want to throw that on there. More purple. What's the other side of this? That doesn't really go, but that's okay. Let's see if we can find, even the littlest of strips, man. You know, a lot of people throw this out. I keep it. Obviously, I keep it and I try to use it. There you go. We'll put that on there. You just need that little tucking thing. It's perfect. It's perfect for that kind of... Okay, I saw a lot of red there that I liked, so let's move that red up there. And we'll try to make a layout with that. Ooh, I like that blue, so I'm gonna be... Yeah, there's another blue here that I like. We gotta come back for that blue. I think that's about all the purple though. Oh, I like this too. Okay, but I think that's okay. I think it's enough. In this case, you know, I have like one pattern paper, and then I have that little strip too, and then I have these that I can use also. And that sheet fell on the ground. Let's bring that back. But I think that's enough. I think I'm happy with that. Sometimes you don't need, you know, a whole bunch of stuff. This is going to be good. There we go. Next, I think I want to do, I see a couple red things there that I think I want to try. This is so busy, man. Whew. I like this. I like that. A little bit of this. A little bit of that. Like, I find stuff like this in small doses. But then I like black and red together. And I like that strip down here. Okay. Let's see if I can find maybe another black pattern paper, because I think we got enough red. We already got 3 sheets, so, or 3 kits. So this will be number 4. If we can do, we'll say 6 this time. Let's do 6. Ooh, I love grid. Love grid. Okay. That is going to be used on another layout. For sure. Okay, I think this is good. It's another one of those things that, do I want to do like a light red, or I just go for white again? I think I want to go for white. And then when I put the kit together, you know what? I have this pattern paper that kind of has little flecks on it. It's not pattern paper, cardstock that has flecks on it, and it's got quite a few flecks of red, and then it's not white. So let's use that. So I think this was number 4. Let's just quickly count here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4. This is 5. Ah, cool. Okay, well, at least one more in this video, and it'll be 6. And then I'd like to do like 5 more, but I think I'm going to stop the video and then start it again, so it's another video. Okay, well, I got this gray that I really like, but I really like this brown here. I'll probably get a craft to go with that. This is pretty too, right? I don't know what to do. You know what? I think I want to keep this for the next layout. This is a lot, so I'm going to get a craft. I'm going to turn off the video, but I'm going to go get a craft and just kind of finish this here. And then we'll stop it here, and then I'll do another video grabbing some more page kits. So that's it. I'm going to stop here. We put 6 together. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. If you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.